Hello everyone, in this video lesson I am going to present the summary and important question answer of the story The Recurring Dream. Let's begin. The Recurring Dream, retold by Arloti Jansen. Story. Characters: किम्बर्ली क्लार्क मेन क्यारेक्टरको रूपमा छिन्। जेनेट विल्सन, किम्स रुममेट। ओल्ड म्यान with white hair and white beard. Jane's parents' farm, car, room of London, country road, white cottage with green shutters, lane, hedge, white fence. A story from England. Summary. किम्बर्ली क्लार्क लिभ्स एन्ड वर्क्स इन लन्डन। किम्बर्ली क्लार्क यो कथाको मुख्य पात्र हुन् र उनी लन्डनमै बस्छिन् र त्यही काम गर्छिन्। सी इज यङ एन्ड ब्युटिफुल वुमन अफ 25। उनी 25 वर्षको जवान र राम्री केटी हुन्। बट सी हैज अ प्रब्लम अफ मिस्टेरियस ड्रिम। तर उनको एउटा रहस्यमय सपना देख्ने समस्या छ। Because it is about a place and an old man which is unknown to her and recurring to. किनभने उनले एउटा बुढो मान्छे र एउटा त्यस्तो ठाउँको बारेमा सपना देख्छिन् जुन ठाउँ उनले पहिला देखेकी र चिनेकी पनि हुँदिनन् र यो सपना उनको लागि बारम्बार हरेक दिन प्राय जसो आइराख्ने पनि हुन्छ। She has almost it every night. उनलाई प्राय यो सपना हरेक रात देखिने हुन्छ। In her dream, she stands on a country road. सपनामा उनी एउटा गाउँको बाटोमा उभिन्छिन्। Beside her, there is a lane with a white fence and a hedge on each side. At the end of the lane, on the top of a hill. उनी उभिएको लेन बाटोमा दुवैतिर झाडी र सेतो बार पनि हुन्छ र त्यो बाटोको टुप्पोमा देयर इज अ स्मल व्हाइट कटेज विथ ग्रीन सटर्स। हरियो सटर भएको एउटा सानो सेतो झुप्रो घर हुन्छ टुप्पामा। सी वाक्स अप द लेन टु द हाउस। र त्यो बाटो भएर उनी त्यो घरसम्म पुग्छिन्। She goes in and looks around. उनी त्यहाँ पुग्छिन् र वरिपरि हेर्छिन्। A man is sleeping in a room. एउटा मान्छे एउटा कोठामा सुतिरहेको हुन्छ। He is a little old man with white hair and white beard. ऊ होचो र बुढो हुन्छ सेतो दाढी जुङ्गा गरेको। When she goes closer, the man wakes up and looks at her. जब उनी त्यो मान्छेको नजिक पुग्छिन् त्यो मान्छे उठ्छ र उनलाई हेर्छ। When she opens her mouth to speak, she wakes up herself in the bed in London. जब उनी त्यो मान्छेसँग बोल्नको लागि आफ्नो मुख खोल्न थाल्छिन् उनी बिउजिन्छन् आफ्नै लन्डनकै कोठामा। She often tells this dream to her roommate Janet Wilson. उनी यो सपनाको बारेमा आफ्नो रुममेटलाई प्राय भन्ने गर्छिन्। One day, Janet proposes her to go together to her parents' farm for a few days. एक दिन जेनेटले आफ्नो गाउँ जानको लागि उनीसँग प्रस्ताव राख्छिन्। किम likes the idea and gets ready to go with Janet. किमलाई यो आइडिया मनपर्छ र जेनेटसँग जानको लागि तयार हुन्छन्। On the way, Kim naps for a while. बाटोमा जाँदै गर्दा किम चाहिँ निदाउँछिन्। When Janet turns the car to the country road, Kim opens her eyes and sees the same place which is in her dream. जेनेटले गाउँको बाटोमा आफ्नो कार घुमाउँदाखेरि अलि असजिलो भएपछि किमको आँखा खुल्छ र आँखा खुल्न बित्तिकै सपनामा देखेको ठ्याक्कै दृश्य उनले आफ्नो आँखा अगाडि पाउँछिन्. जानेट स्टप्स हर कार. जानेटले कार रोक्छिन्. किम गोज आउट व्हेन सी रिचेस द व्हाइट कटेज एज द ड्रिम. किम त्यहाँ पुग्छिन्. जसरी उनी सपनामा हिँड्दै जान्छन् त्यसै गरेर नै उनी त्यो कटेजसम्म पुग्छिन्. सी सीज अ साइन विथ फर सेल. त्यहाँ उनले फर सेल लेखेको एउटा साइन देख्छिन्. सी नक्स अन द डोर. उनले ढोकामा ढकढक्याउँछिन्. एट द टाइम हर हार्ट पाउन्ड्स एन्ड ह्यान्ड्स ट्रेम्बल ड्यु टु फियर. त्यतिखेरसम्म उनको हात कापिरहेको हुन्छ र मुटु एकदमै ढुकढुकी बढिरहेको हुन्छ. आफ्टर सम टाइम द सेम ओल्ड म्यान ओपन्स द डोर. र केही समयपछि ठ्याक्कै सपनामै देखिने त्यही बुढो मान्छेले ढोका खोल्छ. एन्ड विथ फियर किम आस्क्स हिम इफ द हाउस इज फर सेल. डराई डराई किमले यो घर बिक्रीमा हो भनेर सोध्छिन्. द ओल्ड म्यान्स आइज आर ओपन वाइड. त्यो बुढो मान्छेले आँखा ठुलो चौडा पारेर हेर्छन्. हि क्लोजेस द डोर इमिडिएटली. त्यसपछि उनले ढोका बन्द गरिदिन्छन् केही पनि नबोलेर. किम नक्स अन द डोर टु ओपन इट अगेन. किमले ढोका खोल्नको लागि फेरि ढकढक्याउँछिन्. सी आस्क्स वेदर द हाउस इज फर सेल. उनले पुनः घर बिक्रीमा हो भनेर सोध्छिन्. द ओल्ड म्यान रिप्लाइज द्याट सी विल नट बाई इट. बुढो मान्छेले चाहिँ तिमीले यो घर किन्दैनौ भनेर उत्तर दिन्छ. द हाउस इज बिङ हन्टेड बाई अ घोस्ट. यो घर भूतले तर्साउँछ. एन्ड देन घोस्ट इज किम हरसेल्फ. र यो घर भूतले तर्साउने र त्यो भूत किम तिमी नै हो भनेर जवाब दिन्छ. देन हि लक्स द डोर अगेन. र त्यसपछि ढोका फेरि बन्द गरिदिन्छ. सर्ट क्वेसन्स. Why does Janet want to take Kim to her parents' farm for a few days? She wants to take Kim to her parents' farm for a few days so that she can have relief from the recurring dream. Kim is in troubles. She is unusually tired by the recurring dream. The dream is in her mind constantly. She doesn't see the way to get rid from the dream. So Janet thinks that the peaceful environment of the countryside will help Kim to be refreshed. Why do some people have recurring dreams? Give your opinion. In my opinion, people have recurring dreams because of some accident or some dreadful events that have been experienced or seen by the person. It is said that such recurring dreams occur because of rebirth of a person. There is no scientific basis experimented recurring dream. In the text, the reason is the spirit. Kim is physically in one place and her spirit hunting the old man. Why do you think Kim has this dream? I think that it is the spirit which causes her recurring dream because she lives in an apartment in London and the old man tells her that the house is being haunted by her soul, which is miles away from London. It is not possible for the people to travel miles for a few minutes in sleeping times. If it is only dream, then the old man couldn't recognize her because we often forget our dream and its character, especially unknown people. But both of them know each other very well. It might be possible that she was his wife in her previous life. Describe the lane and the house. In her dream, she stands on a country road, although she lives in London. Beside her, there is a lane. The lane is so narrow and not so long, with a wide fence and a hedge on each side. At the end of the lane, on the top of a hill, there is a small white cottage with green shutters. She walks up the lane to the house in her dream, mostly every day. Describe the man Kim sees in the house. In Kim's dream, she also met a person who is very old and so small in size. He is very sound in health in spite of being so old. His hair and beard is white. He lives in a small and white house with green shutters in countryside. He lives there alone. The man was sleeping in his bed when she reached there. Long questions. Write about a dream that you have seen recently. One night I saw a strange dream that was the most memorable dream of my life. In the dream, I was flying in the sky. I saw so many villages, rivers, mountains, cities, and so many things. I enjoyed flying and seeing the scenes, but unfortunately, there were so many dragons followed me. Suddenly, they attacked me with the firebomb. I tricked them. I went to a cave. Then I took out my sword. I fought with them. So many dragons were killed. Others ran away, showing my courage. Then a dinosaur appeared. It chased me. It was so enormous. It broke buildings, bridges, mountains, and everything. I should take it for the common people. Then I stood in front of him to fight with it. I wounded seriously, and at last I snatched out his heart out of his body. A nice man woke me and welcomed me to a strange place. Then strange noise woke me up and heard the program of Kaya Kairan. Do dreams have any connection to our real life? Discuss your personal view. Also relate to the story, the recurring dream. Dream is a series of images, events, and feelings that happens in our mind while we are asleep. In my experience, whatever interesting thing I see that has come in my dreams. Some dreams have no any connection to our real world too, but some has connected. Dream is truly a vision or image that is interpreted in different way. In my childhood, I fell from high places, but nothing was happened, and its sign is to grow. But now I don't have such dreams. In the dream, when I fell, then I passed in real. I found lots of money in dream, but nothing was happened in real. Neither have I found money nor I lost. There are so many dreams that cannot any connection to real world, but some dreams are connected to our real life. In the text, Kim has a recurring dream. She sees all the events and person in real life which she sees in the dream. This appears true. Thank you for joining with me in this video lessons, and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming video lessons continuously, and keep suggesting us. See you soon.